Hello dear travelers, I'm very happy to welcome you in my today's video and to give you an update about an activity I just did today. When I googled things I must see here in Tangier, Google suggested I come to visit the Tangier Museum, Kasbah Museum. It was quite of a real pleasant adventure to find it, but anyway I found it. A local child was so good to bring me here, and I have to tell you that the museum, yes, it must see, you can find and to enjoy some artifacts from Roman time, from pre-Roman time, from the Bronze Age, but the only minus that I could observe that was that everything was written only on Arabic and French language. There were no QR codes where you can scan and to see some information in other languages, or no guided tour, or no audio tour, or some guided tours from the museum. And if you don't speak Arabic or French, for sure you will find the place boring. But just for general information and for general culture, it's really good to come and to see here the museum. So dear travelers, thank you very much for being with me today. I wish you a very good day. Stay healthy, stay positive, and I will see you in my next adventure. And here in the let's say the yard of the Tangier Museum, there is a very beautiful view of the sea. There are lots of people taking pictures and it's really very beautiful. Actually, here coming to the museum is must see in Tangier.